Hey y'all, this is the Maniology Box of Joy unboxing. In this video, I'm going to be opening and unwrapping every single item in this box. So if you don't want to see any spoilers, I highly suggest that you skip this video. Hey y'all, it is that time of year again for the Maniology Box of Joy. Y'all know I dearly love Maniology nail products. I love all of their boxes that they do. The Halloween one is probably my favorite, and the Christmas one was really good last year. So I'm pretty excited to see what's in here this year. I have not dug into this box yet, so whatever I see, we are sharing this together. So my expressions and everything are my is my first impression of this box. So as always, it comes in the beautiful Maniology box. Fa la la. As you open it, it says, Merry Christmas from Maniology. Now this little book here, it will go through and tell you all about the items that's in the box. Okay, and we're going to look at that here just in a second. But we have here these cute stickers. Y'all know I love stickers. I hardly ever stick them on anything. I like that one right there. That one's cute. So we have these stickers. And as always, the beautiful festive paper and the little Box of Joy countdown book. Okay, so first off, let's open up this book. And I'm going to read it. If you don't want to hear me read, then just pause the video. And you can see what the book says. So in Maniology's workshop, the elves worked swift, wrapping up aloha, packing thousands of gifts. But something was missing, they all could agree. They needed tinsel and music and a glowing fir tree. They paused their packing, nail tools set aside, to decorate the workshop with joy as their guide. Over 12 winter nights, they all came together, bringing Christmas to Hawaii, despite the warm weather, because you know they're based out of Hawaii. So, item number 1. Snow didn't fall, but the elves played it cool, etching plates with snowflakes using magical tools. With polish and a stamp on each of their hands, they were whisked away to winter wonderland. And there's a gnat in here, of course. He wanted to get in on the festivities. Oh, so how cute is this? As always, the stickers match everything. So let me find... All right, so this is item number 1, the stamping plate. And let's open this up and see what it is. I'm not going to take off the blue protective covering so that this light really won't glare in your face. But is this not cute? Let's look at all of the designs here. Snow Kisses. And this is the plate number M418. These are really pretty. And then you have some really long designs up here. I like that one right there. That one's really pretty. All right. Really pretty plate. So let's set that off to the side and let's move on to item number 2. Number 2, snowflakes on fingers and twinkling toes, their nails mesmerized with shimmering glows. Icy blue polish like a frozen dream, they marveled at the sparkle in a magical gleam. So number 2, I think we know what this is going to be. It's going to be polish of some sort. So let's open this up and see. Oh, that's pretty. So Twinkle Toes is the name of the color. Number right there. Very pretty color. So let's open this up and see. Oh, very pretty. Let's see, focus. There we go. Very pretty color. Cannot wait to use that one. So let's set that off to the side and go on to number 3. Number 3, to pamper their hands with scents so bright, zesty citron, a pure and fragrant delight. The elves massage their cuticles with tender, loving care, leaving the workshop with citrus-scented air. Here, our little package. Let's open this one up. Okay. Essential cuticle and nail oil. And I really do like their cuticle oils. There's that. So we don't need to open that because you can see it plainly right there what it is. So number 4, day by day the elves' spirits were revived, gleaming lights hung with joy in their eyes. Strings of colors adorned with grace, adding magic to the workshop and smiles on each face. So let me find number 4. Aha, right here. It's another stamping plate. And I'll throw that in the floor. Okay, so here we go. These are Christmas lights. Here's the base, and then that will be your background, and then you'll stamp with a contrasting color on top. I like that one there. Looks like a tree. All of these lights, okay, I'm getting ideas with these already. Okay, and then you see this here, and then this intricate one. This would be like your base color, and then you would stamp this, you know, like with a black, white, silver, whatever, and then would stamp on top of that polish. Same with that, same with this. I like these layered plates that they do. I really do. And this is M416. I had to let the cat in. So, number 5. On day 5, the team cleaned the dust from the shelves. Remember the plate? Exclaimed one of the elves. Flipping through albums, they all reminisced on Bundle Monster plates in nostalgic bliss. Okay. In nostalgic bliss from Bundle Monster. So this has got to be a good one. This has got to be, yes. I love these. I love these little booklets that you can put all of your plates in. Like I said, the Halloween one, whoopsie, was my favorite, but I love all of them. Let's put the paper over here. Oh, how cute is that with all the lights? There's a tree shaped, but see, you can open this up and then you take this out and then you have all of these sleeves to put your plates in, and it protects your plates and just keeps them all organized. So how cute is that? Of course, with their little metal emblem down here. Cute, cute, cute. So let's move on to number 6. Day 6 brought some trouble, to the elves' dismay when the lights ceased to shine on their Christmas display. That's infuriating. But in galloped Rudolph with a shimmering hue to illuminate the night and fix their lights like new. I'm hoping that this is a nice bright red one. So number 6, see, I love the stickers. They always put like so much attention into their packaging, and that's what I appreciate. It's like they put attention. Oh, well, that is pretty. In the color Rudolph, number 496. So let's open this and see. It's sort of a reddish, it's like a reddish brown almost. It's got just a tiniest little bit of brown, but then again, it's like the shimmery, and it looks redder in person than it does on camera. I can tell you that right now. But it's a very, very pretty color. So set that off to the side. Number 7. Next, they mixed cinnamon with sugar so sweet, creating gingerbread men for a break time treat. Pouring milk in their glasses, ideas began to flow for layering plates made out of cookie dough. Oh, so we're on what? Number 7. So let's see, another layering plate. And layering plates like this, you can just make like such intricate looking designs, and it's not hard. You know, it's not hard. So like I said, you can just use this, like this tree. This is your base. So you would stamp this color in your main color and then just go over it with your accent color. And then you have like the gingerbread, and then the little gingerbread girl there. Some more cookies, and here's some candy. Looks like some coffee. Have a sweet Christmas. Oh, snap. Okay, now that's cute. Oh, snap. See? And then you have like all these little things you can add on. So how cute is that? And this is M417. Okay, so let's put that over here. Number 8, moving along. They bake and they craft with laughter and cheer, creating gingerbread cookies and nails so dear. Rolling pins and nail stampers, the cookies take form. Manicures baked fresh, fragrant, and warm. So number 8, and I really love their themed stamper. So and we'll cut the video here until I can get this open. Okay, so this is one of their ice cube stampers. And then here's the matching scraper card. I said, I love these. I love the little matching sets. I said, I don't want to use them. You know, I don't want to use the matching sets. But, okay, I'm just going to set this back down here so that doesn't get scattered to the 4 winds. So let's move on now to number 9. On day 9, the workshop was a total mess. So out with their brooms, the elves gave it their best. Their miraculous touch, like a nail artist's stroke, leaving not a crumb for a mouse to evoke. Leave the little mice something. Come on now. What number are we on? I probably just pushed it away. Number 9. Let me make sure I got this matched. Yes. All right. So let's see what we have in this package. Ooh. Ew. Oh, this little mini stamper. Look at that. I got glitter all over my hands. This mini stamper. Look at that. How cool is that? Let's put the cap back on there. And then we have like this cleanup brush here. Very, very, very helpful. And I love that glitter. That is really pretty. Of course, it has their logo on it. Hello. Has their logo on it. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, so let us move on to number 10. With a heave and a hoe, the elves brought in a tree. It was surely the biggest fir they've all seen. On its lush, fluffy branches, they hung up the lights, topped with a shimmering star. What a sight. All right, number 10 we go. Aha! Little gingerbread person. So we've got more polish. Oh, now that's pretty. That is really pretty. And the color is for sure $4.95. Let's give this a shake. And let's open it up. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I really like that color. Okay. Put this back in the box and set that over here. And we're almost done, darn it. Number 11. With golden tinsel, their tree sparkled and gleamed. Just a pinch more glitter like a hollow daydream. A few extra strands for the final touch and a manicure to match. Or is it too much? No, baby, it is never too much. All right, let's get this open. I'll be back. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at this. Like a hollow powder that you would buff on to your slightly tacky polish. That is really pretty. Yes, small container, but you only need just a little bit of this stuff, okay? Very, very pretty. Let's move that. And now we're on the last day. Number 12. In a workshop adorned on the very last night, their smiles seemed brighter, their tasks felt light. Knowing that teamwork held the Christmas key, each gift wrapped in joy from Maniology. As the very last gift was laid under the tree, the elves made a wish for the nail community. We hope all of our polish, art tools, and nail plates will always help to inspire, empower, and create. All right. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Look at these. You have all the stockings and trees. It says Noel, jingle all the way. Fa la la. How cute. And this is plate number 419. Again, with the layered stamping. I really like all of these layered ones that they're doing here lately. I really like those. So yeah, very, very cute. So let's see, let's go back. So we got that plate and this hollow powder and the little booklet, our cleanup brush and mini stamping tool on the end of that. All of these polishes, the cuticle oil, all of these plates, the stamper, and the matching scraper card. And I am very, very pleased with everything that was in this box. I cannot wait to create some sort of festive look with this. So I may do that at the end of this video. Don't know, or I might do it in a separate video. I will have to decide what to do. But if you want to purchase this box, please look in the description box and also in the comments. I will have a link for you. You just click on that link, head on over to the Maniology website, and grab your box while they are still in stock. These boxes generally sell out very quickly. So if you can, go ahead and grab one. If you would, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.